Vehicle maintenance and repairs in the dark. It can happen. The trick is to take your time. Don't make mistakes. Don't hurt yourself. Changing the wipers here on the flex because we're forecast for rain tomorrow, and well, Laura leaves long before I do, so you don't always get to fully choose when you have to repair things. Could be on the side of the road in the middle of the night in the dark. At least changing these is pretty easy. Under the hook there's a little tab. Press it in. Push the wiper off the hook. Sometimes that's the hardest part. There we go. And just slide it off. Not sure who made these, what brand these wipers are, but they've just got the little tab here. And so when you press that tab in, then you can slide it off the hook. The new ones, these are reflex. I don't know, they've got this kind of awful big knob here, but just lift this up. And the hook slides in there, and then that folds down to secure it. Like so. That's it. She's good to go. Now, I have to drive home from work tomorrow in the dark, so I better change my burned out headlight. To change these headlights, they're back here. We're going to do this side first, because it's the hardest side. This green connector here is our headlight connector. So there's a red tab on it that we're going to attempt to slide. Oh, I just broke the ground wire. Look at that. This is why it's no fun. There we go. And with that, should be able to squeeze this and pop the connector off. And then we just twist the bulb out and remove it. And there it is. Very important when you're changing these style of headlight bulbs. Do not touch the glass with your finger. It'll leave oils on it, and that can create hot spots and cause them to burn out prematurely. So there we go. Once it's home, give it a twist. Connector back on, and there we go. Push the locking tab. That one's done. Let's see if it works. Woohoo! Good stuff. It's working. Alright, really get you in on this one. So again, red tab out. Get that out of there. There we go. this a twist. Out it comes. Click. Done. So while I'm not, I'm not saying you should do all your maintenance in the dark. Sometimes you just have to. Plus it's a beautiful night, get to hear the frogs. So it's not so bad. I'm gonna clean up and I'm gonna have to fix this ground, which is kind of another story altogether. Shouldn't be too bad. Truth is, I've got enough lights on the shop and stuff here that I could have had a lot more light to work with, but where's the fun in that? Here comes the train, it's about to get loud, so until next time, keep it in the litter box.